In this video, we're going to be looking into the basics of Blender. This is you're going to have once you open the Blender for the first time. And the things I wanted to cover in this um, first tutorial was how to navigate and how to move things around, and also how to zoom in and what are the different things in the basic this view, which they call it viewport. So right now on the left hand side, you can see the select box. So once it is selected, you can see in our collection or the scene collection, we've got this camera. Basically, it is going to show you, if you render something, it's going to show you what exactly you can see. Right now it is very zoomed in, so that's why you don't see the whole cube. So okay, layout again. So that is one thing, and the other one is the light over here. So basically, once we'll get into the lighting and how to where to put the light in order to like kind of define where we want to make things visible and where we want to put some shadows and stuff like that. So that will be handy. uh, in order to move it, right, in order to move it, what you can do is like you can actually go to this move one, and it's gonna show you axes, and you can move things around depending on which where you want to move it, like x-axis, y-axis, or z-axis, right? uh, you can zoom in. Oops, again going back to the select, you can zoom in, zoom in and out of the layout. One way of zooming in and out of the layout is like using uh, the if you have the mouse, and you can have you can actually zoom in and out using the mouse wheel. So or what you would do is like you have to click on this button, and then drag the mouse like in and out, and then you can zoom in and zoom out. The same thing is true for the, if you want to see to like at a different point, you can actually pan, or you can use this hand, and then you would move it right while it is clicked. You would move it right or left, wherever you wanna move it. This is the camera view. It is gonna, yes, and this is gonna be the toggle, the camera view, and it's gonna show you what you would see uh, like in the camera view, right? So what you would see in the camera view. So basically it's gonna be from the camera's perspective. This is gonna switch between different modes. If you look here, it says user orthographic and user perspective. So for this one, in order to understand what it really means and how they are different, is one is like if you make copies of that. So if I put things in here at different point, and then shift A in order to add any of the things, and I'm just putting a lot of things here. Shift A again, and then again some more cubes. Shift A again. So what I'm basically doing is like putting the cursor, and wherever I am wanna put, then I press Shift A, and then mesh, and then cubes. So this is one way of doing it, that the camera is right here, and like they are becoming big compared to where they are located. So distance is kind of changing their sizes. But if you change it over here, it's a user orthographic, meaning that distance is not gonna change the size of the cubes. So these are the different things. So basically it's gonna switch between those two modes. That's all I wanted to cover in this video.